Hi, I'm Bev Gerard, and today I'm going to show you the August fully loaded kit from Creative Escape Papercrafting. Take a look at all the goodies inside. First, we have a stamp set with 18 pieces designed by Vicki Booten. It's called All the Good Things. Look at this beautiful tea rose, 3 simpler flowers, 4 great sentiments, some foliage, and some butterflies, all contained in its own zippered vinyl pouch. It will fit in a 3-ring binder, and inside the kit is also the coordinating dies for the stamp set. Those dies, by the way, are on a magnetic sheet, so they won't be falling off when you first slip it out of the package or hand it over to a friend to share. Next up in my box, I have a 12 by 12 sheet of cut-aparts. This is from Pebbles, their My Bright Life collection. The collection was designed by Jen Hadfield. Each of these cards are 3 inches wide by 4 inches tall, and they'll fit perfectly in many of your pocket scrapbooking systems, and it's a great size too for layering and including on a card. I'm primarily a card maker, but this will work beautifully for scrappers as well. And that black and white stripe on the back, I can hardly resist that. Next, I have 18 sheets of the coordinating 6x6 paper. Um, so some of the sentiments are similar or the same as what you saw on the cards on the last sheet. These are not punched. You need to cut them apart for a very smooth cut, of course. And they're designed to coordinate with each other. The different pieces in the paper stack coordinate so well with one another. It's just a lovely, lovely stack of papers. I love how the navy checks coordinate so well with other parts. And there are foils. This rich ocean blue with gold. There's gold and white, more of the blue with gold in stripes. Gold with white polka dots, and a creamy chocolate with gold foiling, plus some gold foil flowers on this multicolored floral sheet. Who can resist tiny black and white dots and black and white stripes? These tags are perfect for die cutting with your circle dies, layering on a tag. And then we have a couple of small 6x6 sheets in keeping with the 12 by 12 sheet of cards that I showed you previously. Some are the same and some are different. You'll get a variety in your August kit of these sheets. And there's also a package of coordinating ephemera is what it's called. It coordinates with the same My Bright Life collection by Jen Hadfield. I love some of the pieces in this, and as you look through them, I'm going to try to show you all 40. You'll see how they do coordinate beautifully with the papers. Some of these I already have plans for. There's little floral elements that you can add to your card making or to your scrapping projects. Some of the sentiments are perfect for layering and including on a tag or on a card. And a record coming out of an album. So cool. Thanks. You'll see there's gold foiling on a lot of these cut-aparts, these cutouts. A couple of foiled butterflies. A few foiled floral or foliage pieces. More gold foiling. It's a beautiful set. It gives me lots of ideas just looking through them. I hope you like them as well. It's party time. That's all 40 pieces of the ephemera. And now I want to show you the cardstocks included in the kit. This one is a half sheet. It's scored, ready to fold into a card, a white cardstock. There's 3 full 8.5 by 11 sheets of 100-pound cardstock. They're a great weight for card bases. They work well for coloring your images. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of light blue. And then we have some half sheets. There's a medium pink, navy cardstock, a charcoal, a very light craft cardstock, and then there's a more traditional craft color cardstock. Look how well they coordinate. The darker one is a 8.5 by 11 sheet, while the lighter one is the half sheet. My kit included a full-size Lawn Fawn chili pepper ink pad, let's see what's up here. Now, I had a great collection of embellishments, some ribbons included, a 1/4-inch bright blue and a light blue ribbon. Both of those are 1 yard each. And a 1.5 yards of this medium pink grosgrain. It's about 1/8 of an inch wide. Ties beautifully. Then we have some baker's twine, a black and white baker's twine. This one's very soft textured. The yellow and white is a firmer texture, but still the same diameter, same thickness. And this beautiful blue and white is a little bit thicker than the standard baker's twine. I just love the colors. You can see the difference in the thickness a little bit there. And this is a sample jar of Vicki Boutin's Iridescent Glaze. It's a 20-gram sample. I don't know that the shimmer is showing up as well as it should here on my video camera, but it's very shimmery, so easy to use. Plus, your kit will include a crayon, an art crayon by Vicki Boutin. The colors may vary. I happen to get this wonderful blue. It actually coordinates well with those blue ribbons, doesn't it? But I think it'd be a perfect watercolor background that would coordinate with some of those blue and pink florals we saw. And we also have some gold gems included. There are 12 6mm gold gems and 23mm gold gems. And the last item in my August fully loaded kit is this scored sheet of watercolor cardstock and a matching envelope. When you fold this and create a card with it, it will create a 5x7 card. A little larger than our standard size we typically create here in the USA. That's it for this card kit. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the elements, and I hope you enjoy your box when you open it. Happy stamping!